How's it going, everyone? Mark with Precision Auto Protective Films and Ceramic Coatings in Novi. Welcome to our new series, episode 1 of Precision Auto Pro Tips. Today we're going to be covering how to clean your WeatherTech plastic floor liners, the ones you put down in the winter time. You may use them year round. They get dirty, they don't look good. You got to use the right products on it. So we're going to go over on this Tesla today. Come check it out. So we just need a few things today for today's video on how to clean your floor mats. We're going to use EcoClean Multi from IGL, EcoShine Dash. You're going to need a microfiber towel, a small scrub brush, and then gloves to protect your hands. So your first step when it comes to washing the mat, you want to get to the mat near your hose. First step is getting some water put on it. So now you got the bulk of the dirt kind of rinsed off there. Your next step is going to be taking your actual cleaner. Today for a cleaner, we're using IGL EcoClean Multi, diluted to a 4:1 ratio since it is a pretty strong product. So we're going to take this product, we're going to spray it all over the mat and give it a nice good scrub. Once you got everything scrubbed down, you can tell we've got some suds, we've got some dirty suds. We're going to give it a nice rinse down. Now, there's a couple ways you can handle doing the drying process on this mat. One is if you have the clips, most people don't have, like at car washes, you would clip it on the wall, allow it to drip dry for a little while. Another option to do something similar to that, find a good spot on the wall. Now you can also just take the mat and dry it with a towel. Awesome, so now we have this mat completely dry. Again, this is a fairly new mat, about a year old, but as you can tell still, it's just not looking the way it was when it's new. So to achieve this look without having slippery feet, this is really important to use the right product here. A lot of shines, exterior trim shines, tire shines, want to stay away from those. What that's going to cause is really slippery feet, can cause for issues, especially for the driver when they're driving. So we're going to use a product that does not cause the mat to be slippery, but still gives it the look you're achieving. So to do this, we're using IGL EcoShine Dash. You turn this on the sprayer mode, flip this cap from the front to the side, and just going to give it a few spritz. And now we're going to take a towel again, similar to drying, working the product in those crevices to achieve the look we're going for. So now we have our clean floor mat, ready to put it in, enjoy our driving experience. Again, try to keep up on these every few months or so, especially in the winter time when they get salt on them. And thanks for tuning in, and we can't wait to do more videos.